Hi, friends. Welcome back to Kids News Adventure. I'm Max, and today we have some super cool news about young heroes making a big difference for our planet. Did you know that kids and teens all around the world are coming up with awesome ideas to help protect nature and save animals? Well, it's true. The National Geographic Society and the Paul G. Allen Family Foundation just announced the winners of the 2025 Slingshot Challenge, a special contest where young people aged 13 to 18 share their amazing ideas to fix environmental problems. This year, there were over 2,700 video entries from kids in 96 countries. Wow! Some of the top winners are doing really exciting projects, like using smart computers called artificial intelligence in Nigeria to stop illegal cutting of trees. Others in the United States are teaching their communities how to protect the beautiful monarch butterflies by planting flowers they love. Here are some other cool projects from the winners. In Bahrain, a teen is helping stop electronic waste by teaching kids how to recycle old gadgets. In Ecuador, a project is helping bring back native plants that help bees and butterflies. And in Mexico, some young inventors are figuring out ways to get clean water from the air. These amazing young people are showing us all that no matter how old you are, you can help protect the earth and make it a better place for everyone. If you want to learn more or even join the fun next time, you can check out the Slingshot Challenge and maybe become a young hero too. Thanks for watching Kids News Adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss exciting stories just like this. See you next time. Bye-bye.